What is the worst that could come out of an Article 5 convention? First, there could be an overthrow and replacement of our Constitution. An Article 5 convention presents the greatest opportunity for the deep state to hijack the Constitution, including gutting the Second Amendment and more. The Declaration of Independence acknowledged our duty to alter, abolish, and establish a new government when the current government becomes destructive to the ends of protecting our rights to life, liberty, and property. Is this the time to open the door to this possibility? If a convention is called today, it would certainly result in a brand new modern constitution, drafted not by the framers of 1787, but with today's politicians who would reflect the current culture and woke ideology. Is this really the best environment to hold a convention to amend and possibly rewrite the Constitution? Second, there could be a constitutional crisis and social upheaval. This means America could expect a halt in business investment, devaluation of the currency, and violent protests and riots taking place throughout the country. Just the idea of a new constitution and new form of government could be enough to place doubt in investors both domestically and abroad. All throughout history, stable and successful countries and empires have seen their demise due to changes to their constitutions, often as simple as making it easier to amend until the basic foundations have been so fundamentally altered that it bears no resemblance to their former glory. America would be no different. And finally, a one-world government. An Article 5 Constitutional Convention presents the greatest opportunity for the deep state, globalist NGOs such as the Council on Foreign Relations, and other special interests to make structural changes that would benefit them and increase their power. An Article 5 convention is a perfect vehicle for advancing a collectivist agenda, paving the way for further regional economic and political integration and even global government. Given the rapid globalization of trade resulting in more multilateral trade agreements and regional economic unions, globalists could exploit and manipulate an Article 5 constitutional convention specifically to transfer the federal government's trade powers over to a global governing body such as the World Trade Organization and the United Nations. We as Americans need to stay ahead of these threats and ensure our nation remains free and independent. Learn more about Article 5 and the amendment process by visiting jbs.org.